Okay, and now we can easily get the pump out of here. This is the pump here, guys. Okay, and that's what it takes to remove the pump. By the way, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the continuation of the fuel pump removal installation on the 2014 Nissan Armada. And this is the old one that came out of the vehicle. And this is the brand new one here. Just purchased it from O'Reilly. Brand new one, lifetime warranty. That's the old one. That's the new one. Make sure I hold it very careful. Everything seems to be matched up. Take off the safety caps off these guys here. And this is the brand new one, all assembly. One assembly. Brand new one, lifetime warranty, and it's ready to be installed. So the first thing I'm going to be doing here is install the new O-ring. This is the old O-ring or rubber seal, and there should be a new one in here. Make sure that you install the brand new ones that came with the new part. And it's nice to have some lubrication here, which is right here. Just lubricate the seal. Then it goes on this side here. Okay. Now, on this part here, there's a locking device that doesn't come with the new one. So I have to take it off the old one and install it on the new part here. For some reason, it doesn't come with one. So I have to take it off this guy here. And this is the part that I'm going to need right here. I may have to fish it off here. But this part here has to come off, and I have to reinstall it on the new pump. And this is what locks the that female port, that fish that slides over here. So this here has to come off. Go ahead and slide it on here, just like that. See, it locks. Okay, guys, now I'm ready to install this brand new fuel pump, making sure that this area here is clean. There's nothing will cause the O-ring not to be seated properly, and that will cause fuel to be venting inside the vehicle. So make sure it's all clean right here. No dirt or no foreign objects sitting down inside here. Okay, this O-ring here, it needs to be seated properly inside this groove here. So here I go, installing this pump. Slowly make sure that it's not hanging up and nothing's down there. Just very okay. Make your O-ring sits up. Make sure the O-ring sits in this groove here. Okay, your reference point is to make sure that the bigger port point towards the right side of your vehicle and the smaller port points toward the left side. So that will give you a good reference point that you cannot install it incorrectly. And then you just slightly bring it down. Make sure that the O-ring sits in its place there. And it is nicely. Then I can go ahead and okay. And then install your locking ring here first. Okay, this goes here. This goes there. Sit in place first. Okay. See, when you have the tools, you just lock it like that. See? lock it. You don't have a tool, so you have to just. Okay, guys, so now the locking ring has been installed. Now it just needs to be locked in place. And since I don't have the tool to effectively turn the thing, I have to use the regular screwdriver. Some guys use chisel, cold chisel, but I'm using a screwdriver where it does not do any harm to the locking device. So I just use a dead blow hammer here and just tap it around slowly. Okay, now the locking ring, guys, is now in place. You see, it's locked in place here. All areas are locked. Now I can permanently install this locking device here that locks. Now this one here, that locks. See, that locks. Now I can get the electrical connector and lock it in place here. And that locks. Now before I finalize this, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to reconnect the negative post on the battery, and I'm going to turn the ignition key on, and I should hear the pump comes on for 2 seconds, and that will tells me that the system is working normally. So let me go ahead and reconnect the negative post on the battery. Now the battery has been reconnected, and I'm now going to turn the ignition key to on, and I should hear the pump comes on for a couple seconds. Okay, ready for the operation check. Okay, the pump came on for 2 seconds and automatically cuts off. So now I know the system is working. And I'm going to start this vehicle up and see what happens. Okay guys, now the pump is fully installed. The negative post is reconnected, and I'm ready for the operation check. The system has been pressurized. I just turned the ignition key to on. The pump comes on for 2 seconds. So at this moment here, the vehicle should start right up. So let's do operation check. Okay guys, so I believe the problem has been solved. Brand new pumps installed in the fuel tank, and now I can tell the you can tell the system pressurized 2 seconds on the initial starts, and the vehicle starts right up. Before that, it would be cranking for a long while before it starts up, and sometimes it sits and for 30 minutes or so, and then it will start up. But for right now, you can see the vehicle starts right up every time, so I can tell the problem has been solved. So, like I said, guys, so now I can go ahead and wrap it up, put everything back together, and then I'll go from here. So let's go. Okay, guys, I'm going to start this vehicle one more time just to do a leak check. Make sure there's no leakage and everything here is back to the original installation. So I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle one more time just to do a leak check. Okay, it's just a recap. So the new pump has been installed. The vapor line is installed and locked. The pressure line is installed and locked. And the locking ring is locked. So electrical connector is connected and locked. So we know everything is back in place. The next thing I will be doing here is reinstall this little cover here. And the lock is right here. Lock. Okay. Okay, guys, that sums up the fuel pump installation. Um, we have determined that the problem was in the fuel pump. It was not pressurizing the system, and that's what really caused the hard starting. So now I install a brand new fuel pump, and the problem has been solved. Now I can start whenever I feel like. I'm pretty sure my wife will be happy because this is her vehicle. And for those who have not seen the original video where the engine would be cranking and not starting, you can go ahead and check out that video. Also, the removal of the fuel pump. So if you guys have not seen where the problem has started out, you can go ahead and check those videos out. Hopefully those are helpful for those who like to see what causes the issues and why we came to this point. So thank you again for watching, and like I said, like, share, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you really find this video useful. Thanks again. Goodbye.